Banang ai kajing syakri ke imlang kasalang ontang harilum kasi berjantia. Kahanyu trap acik National Movement sengkemi kala pynïar ke treikam Sha Rilum Garo da kebatau ke HANM Garo Hills Region. Hadin bakalayo ban pynïar ketika treikam kaseng HANM sengkemi po kajing lam presiden barangba balam perang karbani. Hagas ngisa jain ka khasan tarik jelio arjar posau kala liban pyntian smai berpen skem mikino kitkam nadu presiden vice president general secretary nalor kiwe kino kitkam berketkat ya ketika jingalang pyntian smai kino kitkam ke HANM Garo Hills Region lapan long hall jong ke ABC guest house kabadan hawada nang Edenbury Road Tura West Garo Hills District hakabau presiden ke HANM sengkemi walayo ban pyntian smai da kaktin pareng bada kaktin Garo kiwe kino lam ke HANM sengkemi kibaladan lang ki kentup general secretary sama Difosta Renja asisten secretary ba Raiwan Sutun Venus Rangsalang Lambok Dekar in charge HANM Garo Hills Region kino kitkam na kiwe ki district ba Gabriel Solang ubalap niya ke jingalang ba klain borthongni bat kiwe kino kitkam ke HANM Garo Hills Region ki kentup presiden Waron ke sangma Vice President Wiryo Tikus di Sangma, General Secretary Abong Anthony K. Marak, Joint Secretary Elivert and Marak, Sport Secretary Rakan T. Sangma, Finance Secretary Wanish Walton T. Sangma, Nolor kiwe.
Pang wat Sha Rilum HANM wat pendam nang klain kabor kat baki nang mikis nam yang ban ya dala kari kendau ka dei ka jong ni HANM ki kamba kraw nang peni hap deng ki jing Shama dan ma pantur ngilong bala kre selan na pang sam na jong kari jing bakang am wat aili long shlor shipai kari am wat kenran yang kam em wat shap ting la jing kiwan ban ya le nang ya HANM ya ki kam ba pha ban ne ka chai ban riu to yang ban ya da ya chaprang namar kari
Constitution of the HANM Article 30 administering oath of office to the new office bearers of the HANM. We, the son of the state of Meghalaya, do swear that we will faithfully discharge our duties as the members of the HANM. We will observe and comply with the responsibilities given to us. And as the elected members of the organization, we vow and promise from today that we will work hard and possess humility and in the fear of God to serve with honesty, integrity and righteously to the people of the state through HANM. In this manner, we shall be able to serve to the best of our abilities in solving the problem faced by the people of state, especially from the outside force, which have adversely affected the economic plight of the people. And we will be like the sword, the strong weapons, and the strong pillar for the people in order to protect the rights in particular and the state as a whole. Slogan: march forward, youth of the nation. March forward, youth of the nation. In the Garo language, slogan: Nekang Chikang Bi Bo Chasing Damberang. Monto: awakes and arise for Mekhlia upliftment. Thank you, Kubei Shibon Metala. Sason Khani Communication Office, the Digital Office, Rachanti Jipa Niwa HNM, Chika da Pande, follow me, Angni Mekhlia Daka Mukcheta Akai China Kaket Ola Bangken Komuni Ta Anta Chakni Dakni Kam Kitawa Bak Orpa Ni Aa HNM Aro Kongsmi Skani Name Kisko Nea Aro Minangpa Niko Mesoka Baksa Wadato On Mana A Chikna Aro Jadake. Respected chairman of the meeting, the youth from Garo Hill, Mbak Lambok as the in charge of Garo Hill, Mbak Raiwan Sotun as the Assistant General Secretary of the HNM Stelbudi, respected the office bureau of the HANM Garo Hill, led by the Aron K. Sama as the president and Abong Tongi K. Marak as the general secretary HANM Garo Hill district, which are going to shoot our great responsibilities for the people of Garo Hill and the state of Mekhlia as a whole. Before administering the oaths of office bearer to the newly member HANM Garo Hill, as the president, I would like to mention the aims and objectives of the HNM for serving the people of Meghalaya. Firstly, HNM stood for protecting the land of the indigenous people, that is for protecting the land of the indigenous people of Meghalaya, which includes for the HANM as well as the Aceh, as well as the Aceh, from encroachment from the state of Assam and the country like Bangladesh. Secondly, HNM it stood for uniting the people of Meghalaya, which include the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Thirdly, to protect the culture of the indigenous people of the HANM tribe and the Aceh as it was inherited from our forefathers, and finally to other the needs of development in the state of Meghalaya, like roads, transportation, proper electricity, and water supply, etc.
We don't look much, so we are mostly just youngsters. But we promise to strive towards excellence. Anyways, we assure you that our strength will grow as days go by. We assure you that our youngsters shall never cause trouble and bring you a bad vision for HNM. Instead, do the opposite. We shall never fall under any wrong influence, for we will stand together and improvise and force to meet. Together as a whole, we will strive towards excellence and fight for our land, because this land isn't called Garo Hills without any reason. Because when we lose this land, what do you think we're going to be called? Obviously, refugees. We may not be able to witness all this, but our future generations will. Your children, your grandchildren, and their generation. So kindly take this seriously and prepare yourselves for the upcoming fights. We have to win. And we never lose, because who are we? Who are we?
What your ministers should do for you, what your government should do for you. But you should always think what I should do for the benefit of my own people. Because we, from the Khasi side, we have been working very, very hard to uplift the people of HANM. The motto of HANM says, awake and arise for the upliftment of the people of Meghalaya. The people of Meghalaya does not consist only the Khasis, it also consists of the Garos. So it is very important to you to awake and arise and work for the whole people. Being in HANM, that doesn't mean that you have to stay out here and we will work for you there from now. No, it is your duty here now to see what is going on here in Pura. What is going on around the villages and town in Garo. I have been to Pura. This is the second time that I have been to Pura. And I have seen there are so many development that needs to be done in your state, in your district. But this development, I don't think so, that the state government has not showered any development scheme in Garo. As far as the information that we have, there are lots and lots and lots of money that have been poured out into Garo for its own development. But the question now is, where does the money go? So it is the duty of you, the youth of today, to find out why is there no development in Garo. It is your duty to find out what is going on, where does government money goes. Like we said, if you are a pyntian, you should always be ready to defend your country from your government. Because your government will never think about the people, but your government will always think about how to win the election in the next 5 years.